The success you need the target. Target. I want to ask you, when you eat what you can feel the success. What is your target?
When I am feel I'm in success, I think when I follow the prophet, that time is I'm a success every time if I follow. But if I not follow what the prophet say, that time is not success for me.
Do you following the prophet now?
Kadang-kadang sometimes
Sometimes.
when I follow I'm success, when I'm not follow, that time I'm not success. For everything I work, maybe I do.
Alright, thank you. Any question?
Thank you.
So what do you feel when you don't follow the prophecy? What do you feel?
I'm very want to follow because many shaitan in
Yeah, I know.
Devil.
That's so heavy. That's so heavy.
Devil.
sometimes I follow. Sometimes I follow, sometimes
Yeah.
unfollow. I say it is a mistake. But I want to follow in the future maybe. But I want to try. I want to learn about religion.
Yeah, I know about that.
Yeah.
Hold on, but I said to you, the question is, what do you feel when you don't follow the Prophet Muhammad SAW? You feel guilty or not?
Yeah. When I feel